Architecture studio Gensler has placed glass-clad volumes on an aluminum base for the mixed-use 6th and Guadalupe skyscraper in Austin, making it the city's tallest skyscraper. Located in downtown Austin, 6th and Guadalupe is 865 feet tall, 264 meters, and has an ascending program of retail, office, and residential, with terraces and balconies dispersed at different points of the construction. The skyscraper has two glass-clad volumes stacked that sit atop an above-ground parking block clad in an illuminated, semi-transparent aluminum skin. A large terrace sits on top of the podium, and another was placed at the joint between the tower's office and residential floors. Private residential balconies line the majority of the upper levels, while planes of glass curtain wall cover the building's angulate sides and the office floors. It contains retail, office, and residential floors. According to Gensler, its design was shaped largely by Austin's Capitol View Corridor, zoning restrictions that require a clear sight line to the Texas state capitol in Austin. As the sight lines slice through the city, they intersect with 6th and Guadalupe's plot, resulting in its angled, trapezoidal shape and low podium. There are various view corridors from around the city that you need to be able to see the capitol from, and that's going to be in perpetuity, Gensler project architect Andrew Cow told DZine. One of those cuts through this building. So that trapezoidal shape you see for the tower is because of that. The building's design was largely shaped by Austin zoning restrictions that maintain an unobstructed view of the state capitol. Additionally, half of the building fell under the city's Downtown Density Bonus Program zone, an Austin initiative that allows builders to increase a project's height or density in exchange for a high-quality building, improved streetscape, and community benefits. For 6th and Guadalupe, these include targeted LEED Gold certification, Austin Energy Green Building AEGB, 3-star rating, efficient utilities, and a pedestrian-oriented site, being in the urban core. The building and its interior program were also shaped by quite a bit of slope at the ground level according to project architect Tim Buckman. The slope ultimately allowed the team to separate the office lobby from the residential lobby internally, placing one entrance at a lower grade and the other at a higher. The office lobby is on 6th Street, and it's actually a much lower elevation than the residential lobby, Buckman told DZine. The idea is that residents never really come in contact with the office tenants. It is the tallest completed tower in Austin. Additionally, the building was designed for the outdoor lifestyle of Austinites, with the majority of its 349 apartments outfitted with a balcony, and the larger, lower green space acting as a shared park. 6th and Guadalupe joins a number of skyscrapers under construction and recently completed in Austin, one of which is KPF's Waterline Tower, which will be the tallest in Texas once completed. It's kind of pointing towards where the city will probably end up going, just mixing program types on a vertical layout versus horizontally, just because land is getting more and more expensive, downtown especially, said Cow. It's just the beginning of what might come. I think we're only going to keep going vertical. This is the test case for what could work. DZine examined the skyscraper trend and why some developers were choosing to scale back heights from initial design announcements.